Hi, I'm Melissa from Melissa's Creations. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited to get this video started because we are going to go through the Occasions catalog for 2019. Let's dive into the amazing Occasions catalog. I'm really excited to share this with you guys. Here is the cover for the beautiful catalog. Occasions catalog 2019. Stampin' Up! Is celebrating 30 years of doing what they love, and I am so excited to be a part of it for this awesome, amazing milestone. So as we open up our catalog, we have our message from Shelly, the co-founder and board chair for Stampin' Up! This stamp set down here is so gorgeous. It's called All That You Are, and it includes lots of beautiful blooms and a few sentiments. These items have a great outline, and if you read down here, it says coordinates with Frosted Bouquet framelits dies. So if you have the Frosted Bouquet framelits dies, it will cut these images out as well. We have our guide to creativity on the left here. It lists all of the suites for us, and they are quality coordinated product lines that are sure to inspire. So if you're looking for projects that coordinate beautifully together, you can just head right to one of these suites and all of the items will be there for you. You can see the You Can Make It items, which means that all the product ordering information for the project is listed conveniently to get you quickly on your way. Perfect for new crafters and quick projects. We also have kits. You can see this logo here will lead you to the quick and easy projects. The 10% off makes it easy for you to find the bundled products. Those are typically stamp sets and dies or punches that coordinate. When you buy them in a bundle, you'll save 10%. I'm really excited that Stampin' Up! Is bringing out their cling stamps. They're all new in this catalog, and they are designed to be super sticky so that they will stick really well to those clear acrylic blocks. Here's one of the suites that we talked about on the first page. This is the All My Love suite. It's all hearts and flowers with this love-themed suite. You can see here, this is a photopolymer stamp set that's described down here under the product number and the price. Forever Lovely has all of these gorgeous images, and you can see that the outlined images, and here, those coordinate with the Lovely Flowers edgelets dies. If we look down here, you can see that 10% off logo that we saw on the first page. That denotes that this bundle is 10% off when you buy the stamp and the edgelet dies together. You can see the edgelet dies in more detail down here. What I love about these suites is they have papers, designer series paper, as well as some accents. We have some ribbon, some epoxy droplets, and then a cardstock pack, which all coordinate beautifully with the colors and the shapes and images in this suite. Here is another beautiful bundle. This is meant to be. I am getting this bundle in the next few days, so be sure to stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you click that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. You're not going to want to miss the items that I'm going to be making with this bundle. Here's a You Can Make It section, which is really nice and convenient because it shows you the project and it tells you everything that you need in order to make that project. Here we are getting into another suite. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but we will flip through and just kind of point out a few different stamp sets and products along the way, just to make sure that you guys don't miss anything. And again, you can find this catalog online at melissascreations.com. Click on catalogs and you'll be able to download your own PDF copy there. If you'd prefer a paper copy and you live in the United States, make sure that you send me a message and I'd be happy to get one out to you. I really like the floral romance seals on this page. It is supposed to look like the wax seals that we used to use on envelopes and sometimes still use today. Butterflies are definitely making a comeback. This Beauty Abounds bundle is so gorgeous. There's lots of different dies with these butterflies that you can cut out and create beautiful projects with. If you have a sweet tooth, this is sure the sweet for you. This is super cute. We also have some sweet cups that you can package treats in. Very fun. Beautiful cakes over here. This is one of the bundles that comes in photopolymer and a punch instead of a die set. That makes this set pretty affordable. Here's one of the project kits. You can see that it's a kit by this little icon here, and it also tells you here, Incredible Like You Project Kit. Next to that name, you can see that there's a tiny little YouTube icon. That icon means that somewhere on YouTube, on the Stampin' channel, there's a video that coordinates with this kit so that you can kind of see a little more detail about it. Here's another fun suite. This has a lot of bright and primary colors, really nice. This one comes with a Bitty Blooms punch pack as part of the bundle. How fun is that? I'm really excited about this Well Said stamp set. There are 51 cling stamps and there are so many different sentiments. This is really, I think, a huge staple in anyone's crafting tool bag. It also could be bundled with the well-written framelits dies. You get a huge bang for your buck when you bundle these two products. I love all of these handwritten kind of cursive-like sentiments down here. Really nice to have those as accents on your cards. I just need to point out that we now have rectangle stitched framelits dies. I am so excited about that. That is amazing. What's also amazing is they are bundling this with the Amazing Life photopolymer stamp set. Look at all of these wonderful icons that you can use for birthdays, St. Patrick's Day, lots of different items that you can use this stamp set for. And the cat punch from the annual catalog can be used with the 9 Lives stamp set. These are photopolymer stamps. You can see when an item coordinates because you can tell that the item is outlined. This says that it coordinates with the cat punch in AC, which is annual catalog, page 211. They are also introducing an adorable little dog punch to go with the Happy Tales stamp set down here. Again, you can bundle this and save that 10%. Here are those butterflies again, Gingham Gala Suite. Leave the winter blues behind with this gorgeous gingham suite, perfect for springtime. All these bright colors are so fun, and I really like the gingham print. Really fun classic garage set that you can use for your masculine cards. Classic car, little toolbox, an oil can. You can also pair it with the Garage Gears Thinlits dies into that bundle to save that 10%. And there's lots of fun gears that you can cut out using your Big Shot. And look at these cute little key accents. There's a key and a wrench. Those are awesome. Again, another great Father's Day set with Best Catch. here we are to the host and the join pages. Hosting a party is awesome, especially during celebration. And you can join for just $99. You get $125 worth of product, which includes a free paper pumpkin kit, plus business supplies and free shipping. During celebration, this is pumped up a little bit more. Let me know if you'd like more information, and I'd be happy to talk to you about joining my team and getting some amazing products. When you host a party, which I can provide online or in person if you're local to my location, you can choose some just for host stamp sets that are exclusive to hosts. Here we have Here Comes the Sun, which you can use your Stampin' rewards towards, which is super cute. I love the mountains and the sun and the trees. This is such a fun set. We also have the Just Because set down here. Really adorable. You cover Mother's Day, thinking of you, thank you, and I am what I am because of you. Lots of different ideas that you can use this set for. There's still time to share the love on some favorite products from the previous catalogs. They're still available to purchase. Visit the online store to see the full selection. Here you can see a few of the amazing favorites. Tin Tile, absolutely, I have that. Winter Woods, absolutely, I have that. First Frost, absolutely, especially with those framelits. I have that as well, and I am in love with it. And that is it for the 2019 Occasions catalog. Thank you so much for joining me for that Occasions catalog walkthrough. We didn't talk about every product because that video would be far too long, but we did touch on some amazing things, and if you have any questions about any of the items in this catalog, I'd be more than happy to talk to you one-on-one and help answer some of your questions. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat, and find me on all of my social media at MKre8tions. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!